We have all experienced the frustration of unregulated school group chats. Your phone buzzes constantly with casual chatter, burying the crucial updates you actually need to see. That is why we built the Parent-Child Messaging Module, a purpose-built workspace designed to give you a clear, quiet channel for school updates. Here, you establish a secure connection directly with teachers. You completely separate your personal life from school communications, and you can retrieve shared files instantly without endless scrolling. Adopting this portal takes you out of a disorganized, reactive scramble and places your academic communication into a secure, controlled institutional system. Let's look at how the workspace is laid out. On the left side of your screen, active conversations are clearly organized in the main panel. To prevent backlogs from overwhelming you, rely on the inbox filtering system. Clicking this icon reveals active, archived, or all chats. Moving past terms into archived chats clears your visual field, ensuring the attention remains exclusively on current responsibilities. This proactive filtering turns an otherwise cluttered inbox into a clean, actionable daily workspace. When you need to start a new direct message, use the New Conversation window. The Search by Name function queries our centralized, secure school directory. This internal directory protects privacy. Selecting a user opens their profile, surfacing only verified institutional credentials. Notice personal phone numbers are absent. The system provides only official portal email addresses, maintaining a boundary between school and private life. You can maintain highly effective communication with teachers and staff without ever exposing the personal contact data of anyone in the school community. For daily operations, you can easily share essential documents, like leave letters or assignments, using standard attachment tools at the bottom of the chat window. But sharing files often creates an unintended problem. A simple "thank you" or "received" message sends another push notification to a teacher's device, contributing to alert fatigue. Instead of typing a reply, use the Quick Reaction tool. Hovering next to a received message reveals an emoji menu, letting you acknowledge receipt instantly without triggering a disruptive push alert. Using quick reactions builds a culture that respects focus time. It confirms your message was received while keeping notifications quiet for everyone. Eventually, you will encounter a high-stakes scenario. It is late at night and you urgently need to locate a specific Excel sheet or syllabus that a teacher sent weeks ago. Resist the urge to scroll through weeks of chat history. Instead, navigate to the top right corner, open the three-dot context menu, and select Media Gallery. This opens the Media Gallery. Think of this as the system's permanent filing cabinet, cleanly organized into tabs. The moment a file is sent, the system automatically categorizes it here, making your critical Excel file instantly ready to open. Manual scrolling is obsolete. Critical institutional files are now searchable and immediately retrievable assets. You won't always be on the messaging page. While you are working in other modules, the system quietly manages incoming communications in the background. To catch up, use the global notification bell in the top navigation. Expanding this dropdown shows you distinct contextual alerts for all unread messages. This global system ensures that no matter where you are in the portal, you are always exactly one click away from the precise context of an ongoing conversation. You have moved from navigating disjointed, unsecure consumer apps to mastering a highly structured communication archive. You now have guaranteed privacy for your personal contact details, a clutter-free inbox that highlights active priorities, and a method for instant file recovery without the scroll. Log into your portal today. Try using a non-intrusive reaction on your next update